The Speaker of Papua New Guinea's Parliament has ignored an order made by the Supreme Court to reinstate Sir Michael Somare as the country's Prime Minister. The court ruled yesterday his removal from office in August was unlawful and the election of his successor, Peter O'Neill, was unconstitutional. The uncertainty over just who is in charge of PNG has prompted the Australian government to warn its citizens there to avoid the government precinct. Our PNG correspondent Liam Fox is in Port Moresby.
This morning, Parliament resumes. Now, Peter O'Neill and his supporters were occupying the government side of the chamber. When the Speaker came in, the Speaker, Jeffrey Nape, he made a short statement reiterating that Sir Michael was not the Prime Minister and that, in fact, he was no longer an MP. That was based on retrospective laws that Parliament passed yesterday. He said that Sir Michael is now an ordinary citizen, and he reaffirmed that Peter O'Neill is the lawful leader of Papua New Guinea. We're still waiting to see what Sir Michael does today. We've been told that he will be heading to Government House to have the Governor-General swear him in as the Prime Minister. But he did speak last night at a press conference after the dramatic Supreme Court ruling. That's where he said that despite the fact that he's 75 years old and has undergone 3 heart operations this year, he's still willing and able to take on the role as Prime Minister. We've just been talking to people out the front of PNG's Supreme Court, and we haven't found a single person who supports the Supreme Court's ruling. Everyone's very much in favour of Peter O'Neill, saying that he brought a fresh approach to government. People were tired with the Somare government. He'd been in power for 9 years, and they don't feel he did anything good with his time in power. And everyone's very disappointed, but the situation is calm. There's no large gatherings of people anywhere on the streets, so the situation is calm at the moment. There were tense scenes last night following the Supreme Court's ruling. Police loyal to Sir Michael Somare set up a blockade around Government House to prevent Peter O'Neill from reaching the Governor-General. He did attempt that and was blocked outside for about an hour. He did manage to get through, but when he reached Government House, he was told that the Governor-General would not be seeing anyone tonight. And as I said before, we're still waiting to see if anyone, either Somare or O'Neill, will try to make that journey to Government House again today.
Liam Fox there reporting from Port Moresby.